Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to enable one-handed mode on Realme Note 60. Firstly, go into settings. Now go to the bottom and go into system. Now one-handed mode. Tap on this switch to activate it. Now firstly on this and now on the top one. I don't know why I can't. Oh, it is enabled. So just only the bottom one. And now if you tap on this button that is here, you will activate one-handed mode. And if you would like to go back to the normal mode, just tap on this area here. Also, you can just tap on show notifications. So if you tap on this button, notifications are going to appear. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.